Calculus examples, trigonometric functions. This is video 37, example 6. Find the derivative of the function y equals line of x to the sine of x using the verbal form of the alternative technique. To review the above videos, you should pause this video now. All videos have been written and produced by Michael J. Bankhead. Example 6. Find the derivative of the function y equals line of x to the sine of x using the verbal form of the alternative technique. Solution. The function is: Step 1. Apply the verbal form of the alternative technique. The derivative of y is dy by dx equals the right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute. Multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Step 2. Bring down. Use the laws of logarithms to simplify the line function. From Reminder 2 in Scene 3. Since y is sine of x, replace y with sine of x. Since x is line of x times line of x is times line of x. Step 3. Apply the verbal form of the product rule. Bring down. The second function is line of x, so substitute. Times is times. The derivative of the first function is the derivative of sine of x, which is cos of x. Plus is plus. The first function is sine of x, so substitute. Times is times. Find the derivative of the second function using the verbal form of the chain rule for y equals line of f of x. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of line of x, which is 1 over x. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is line of x. And 1 over x divided by line of x is 1 divided by x line of x. Therefore, dy by dx equals, bring down as cos of x line of x. Plus is plus. Bring down as sine of x divided by x line of x. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Reminder 1. The function is apply equation 1. Bring down. The right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute. Multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Reminder 2. To review the above reminders, you should pause this video now. Reminder 3. Let P equal sine of x line of line of x. Then P is the product of two separate functions. The first function is sine of x, and the second function is line of x. So the derivative of P must be found using the product rule. The verbal form of the product rule is shown below, followed by the derivative of P. P' of x equals the second function is line of x. So substitute line of x times is times the derivative of the first function is the derivative of sine of x, which is cos of x. Plus is plus. The first function is sine of x, so substitute sine of x times is times the derivative of the second function is the derivative of line of x, which is 1 divided by x line of x. Thus, after applying the verbal form of the product rule, P' of x equals bring down, which is identical to the expression obtained using the product rule in the right-hand side of the equation in step 3, scene 2. To review the above reminder, you should pause this video now. When solving questions from your textbook similar to the example in this video, you should display scene 2 so you can use it as a template to find the derivative. If you want to find the derivative of y using logarithmic differentiation, then you should display scene 5 followed by scene 6 in video 29, so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. You can then compare logarithmic differentiation with the alternative technique. You should then find this topic simple and beautiful. Cheers. Do not forget to check your answers with the answers in the back of the textbook.